I've been through some things, ups and downs some days, but I'll call your name. This life I walk in faith, darkness not a slave, Jesus has my gaze. But I've been feeling prayed out, trying to find a way out. God, I need your help now, come show me. I've been trying to run away, feel like going in my head. Feel like sitting up in God's bedroom, making music I don't talk to them. Remember when I used to puff? Now I'm chilling with the Most High, and I can't even get enough. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going. Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, king will heal you, keep you bonded, king fulfill you. I promise your God sent, bow in reverence before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your way. Keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going. Keep running back to another, 'cause you saved me, oh, that I might come back to your lover. Keep running back to another, 'cause you saved me, that I might come back. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back.
Said, this is flesh of my flesh and bone of my bone. She shall be called woman. It was all woman when you saw me. Any real people in this room?
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions Den, speaking with the
Morning guys, welcome to another vlog. This is my ages. This is a Monday vlog. Yeah, I'm going to work and I have to leave Manje actually. I have to leave. I'm going to work and I'm going to buy the cakes and go to work. Then yeah, I will show you guys what I get up to at work, because I don't actually think I'm gonna get up too much, but I have things that I want to do, my personal things at school. So yeah, and then like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Period, yeah. Period.
pen can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah.
I'm at work. Yeah, she's out. Okay. I go to park. Second hydro, and I'm wearing a jersey and I'm on the way for the whole day. It looks so neat in this office. I want to make a copy of my matric certificates and my ID so that it can get certified. Okay, period. Yeah, I need to connect with my mom / boss to come in and tell me what to do. I'm going to continue with my YouTube admin. But nothing to vlog because I've been printing like isn't those on my ID copy, my matric certificate copies, and I'm gonna go and get them certified. Then I'm going to job application. You get me?
Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running.
Back home. I lost to you guys. Like today I didn't do anything productive at work. I don't know who's this vlog. Yep, I don't even know. I didn't do anything productive. Like I've been sharing a movie, and then I was doing my stuff like certifying CV, name, ID copy for like when I start running to colleges for school. Yeah, so right now I'm about to make some iced coffee and something to eat. Then I'm gonna do some kids today. I'm lazy. I'm gonna put on a face mask. That's one thing I know, because the pimples. I'm gonna put on a face mask. And yeah, I don't know. I feel like being so crazy until Sasa because I don't have any ideas whatsoever for, unless it's long enough in Zobon when I edit. But let's make some food and some iced coffee here.
Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Guys, I've had a change of mind for the iced coffee, so I'm just gonna make coffee. I don't know if this is strong enough to hold coffee, so I'm just gonna use my cup. Yeah, drink it back.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Yo guys, I'm so tired now. So I'm just about to get into my little sleeping routine. Yeah. Then I'm going to sleep. I don't know if I'm going to continue this vlog tomorrow or what. Since we're in the skincare now, basing open now. Something about me, I get tired, from work and school. School plus you're wasting train, so yeah, tie this hair properly. Just look, guys, I'm gonna go add dolls.
About me and say that you love me. I didn't understand that it's so much more than going to a sanctuary. A relationship is what's really necessary.